This sleek little gadget right here might just become your new best friend. It's an electric air duster, and basically it completely eliminates the need to pick up any of these old-fashioned cans of compressed air. And not only is this thing extremely powerful, but it does have a variety of other benefits as compared to the older cans of compressed air that I think that you'll find really valuable. So stay tuned in this video to learn a little bit more about this guy and see how it can change up your cleaning routine. Straight off the bat, I don't even want to tease you about it, let's talk about the power. This unit is equipped with a beast of a motor that has 3 variable speed limits, starting at 70,000 RPM, going up to 90,000, and at its highest level 110,000 RPMs. So kind of just spouting off these random RPM numbers doesn't really mean too much, so let's just play a couple clips so you can see what these actually do. Now I told you I wasn't playing around when we were talking about the power capabilities about this, and I'm sure you can see that from the clips. But what else is really good about this is it comes with a 9,000 milliamp hour battery that is, wait for it, USB-C rechargeable. And finally, the last real feature on this unit is a second button that you'll notice on top of the power button, which actually controls an LED. Really convenient for when you're working with it. All that said about the performance on this guy, it does price in at about $46 on Amazon, and when ordering through the source, you do get a complete package when buying.
And if you're going to be ordering the air duster between September 22nd and October 21st, you can go ahead and use the discount code to save yourself 20% off your final purchase.
It does come with a number of accessories, including things like a tweezer or a number of these different brushes, and I find these brushes to be super high quality. There's a variety of purposes, from cleaning keyboards to even auto detailing, that I can see these being useful for, so I'm super happy that it was all included in the package. And they even sent over one of these plastic keycap removers, but ever since I got my Key Move 2-in-1, I haven't really needed anything else, but I appreciated it being included. But by far, the best accessories they included were the direct attachments for the unit itself. They actually include 5 different nozzles that you can plug right into the air duster, which kind of change the way that air flows. They have a crevice tool, they have one with a brush, they have a couple little pinhole ones to really increase the power, and I found those to be incredibly easy to use, and they're going to have a lot of different uses as well. Straight out of the box, I kind of went ahead and slapped on this brush attachment, and I went ahead and cleaned up my D65 with ease, so I'm going to go ahead and play that clip so you can check that out too. But all in all, this electric air duster for WandAir is definitely really sweet. I'm so happy to be done with, kind of keeping a pile of these cans of compressed air around. So if you're interested in picking one of these up, go ahead down in the description, check out the Amazon Associates link that I have listed down there. You can get this straight from the source from WandAir. And before I go, I did want to mention that they did send this out for me to review for you guys. It was my goal to just provide something that gives a good example of what the product can be used for and its capabilities. So I do hope it was informative for you. I hope you enjoy the product, and if you have any questions about this product, definitely leave them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. But thanks so much for coming on by to check out this product review, and I'll see you next time.